Hi everyone. In my last video I talked to you about two vlogging solutions from Ulanzi. Those were these two cages, one metal and another one plastic. Now many of us may not require these elaborate setups for vlogging, and we may be looking for something very simple. There are other alternatives to these cages which are more easy to carry and lightweight and also cheaper. So I'll be talking to you today about these two setups here, made by a company called, this one is made by a company called Vijim, Vijim. I'm not sure whether this company is a subsidiary or a branch of Ulanzi, because this was sold to me by the Ulanzi India store, and there is an Ulanzi sticker on this, but I'm not sure whether Vijim is a part of Ulanzi. The other one is called Selfie Flip Screen. This is the Selfie Flip Screen, and this is an Ulanzi product. It is unique in that it has a mirror for those of us who would want to compose ourselves in a proper way and to make sure that we are in the frame. There is a mirror here. Let us talk first about the simplest of the setups here. This is the Vijim. The exact name I'll give you. The name is Vijim GoPro Vlog Mount. It is GP1. And this is a very simple setup. On the top there is a camera mount. Here you can mount the camera. And bottom there's a 1/4 thread. You can see the bottom, there's a 1/4 thread. The way you mount your camera is, it's a very simple thing. This is the mount, quick release mount, comes with the original GoPro package. You have to, or it is available in case you have lost it or you are using it on some other device. You can easily get this from any online or offline store. So first of all, you have to mount this. It's simple, just slide it inside till it clicks and just mount your camera onto this. You can just slide it in. And use the thumb screw to secure it. This is the microphone adapter. So to use this product, you have to slide the microphone jack. You can, it is little difficult to slide it from the front. So the way it is done is that you thread it through. You first put the cable in from the back side. Let it come towards the front of the camera and just plug it in here. Once that is done, you have two cold shoe mounts here. One which is away from the lens side, that is for the microphone. Something like this. And the other one is for the light, which I'll be showing you because I'm using that light right now, but I'll be showing it to you. Why it is to be mounted in this particular way is that if you mount it on this side, it will be closer to the lens, and in some views it may come in the field of view of the lens. Normally I won't be using this particular microphone for this setup. I normally use the receiver of this microphone which I am using on this, which is much smaller. The problem with this is the Rode VideoMic Pro, which is the old one. I think I bought it about 10 years back. Still excellent mic. But now I use this for other purposes, and for this, for the GoPro, I am using this mic, but I can't show it to you. I'll try to put it and show it to you, but the receiver of this mic will come here. It's so small that in any field of view it won't come, whether you are using in super view or wide or linear. Unfortunately, if I use this mic, I can use only the linear mode because it shows up in the wide mode. Now, if you are using a smaller microphone, there is no problem in using the Rode Video Micro without the dead cat in any mode. But if you are using the dead cat, I would avoid using the wide modes, that is the super view and the wide. And there again I will be using it only in the linear mode. So that is one thing which you have to take care of. And bottom portion of it is a 1/4 thread. So if you want to use, you can use any accessory which mounts with that. And here we have a fairly compact video kit. I am saying fairly compact, although the device is small, but it spreads a little wide, because if you have a light also on this side, then it becomes too conspicuous actually. But still, it is very lightweight and very easy to set up and carry it along. It's made of plastic. Quality of construction is very good. Negligible weight, so this comes in very handy. Now let us see the second product. This is the Ulanzi GoPro Selfie Flip Screen GP-5. Now, as I told you, that this one has a mirror inside, and it helps us in composing. If you are taking a selfie, initial composition. You can use it initially when you are setting up. After that, it's better to switch off, because obviously there will be tremendous battery drain if you are keeping it on continuously. So the way this is used is also very simple. There is a camera mount here, this one, and on the back side the slot for the microphone adapter. So first we'll mount the camera. In GoPro Hero 8 it can be mounted straight away. In Hero 7 you have to use the housing which comes with the camera, because that camera doesn't have a built-in mount. Hero 8 is very simple. You just use the finger mounts on the bottom of the camera and mount it, and use the thumb screw to secure it. Now comes the battery adapter. Since the battery hole is on this side, now this also goes in only in one direction. The battery adapter is now connected. You can use any mount, but I am using the Ulanzi's magnetic mount, which is very simple. So I have got this attachment on most of my sticks, so it's easy to attach and remove this. This is the way it works. When you are holding it, I think you can see the screen. So the mirror, you can see the thing, compose it, and then switch off the screen to conserve battery. And this is a very good setup actually, if you want to, and it's a very compact one. So now, in addition to the top cold shoe mount, there are two additional mounts here, which is a very big plus point of this setup here. One is on either side of the case, so you can attach a light attachment here, some other accessory, but mainly the light attachment. You can have lights on both sides or one side, or you can even attach the microphone on one of these sides, one of these cold shoe mounts, depending on your preference. So both these are okay, but I would tend to use the simpler one more often, because you can keep this in your pockets, very small, compact, and I rarely use the flip screen, because when I'm shooting with a GoPro, I'm sure of my field of view, and there has never been a situation where I wanted to be so very precise that I needed the flip screen. In my next video, I'll be talking to you about these magnetic mounts which I just showed you. So I told you that you can, there's finger mount here, and If you use the magnetic mount, it's so very convenient to attach and detach accessories. If you are new to the channel, I would request you to consider subscribing the channel. It really helps. We are a new channel and your support definitely helps. Bye till my next video.